Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be learning how to create a vendor credit memo. Occasionally, you'll need to record a refund or a credit you received from a vendor to offset future bills. This requires the creation of a vendor credit in your books first. In ZarMoney, there are 3 different methods to create a vendor credit memo. Okay, let's start off with the first method, which is directly through the Purchases navigation. You're going to scroll down to Credit Memos and click the plus sign next to Credit Memos, and this will pop up a new credit memo screen. To complete the credit memo, select the date of credit and input the vendor name and reference number at the top of the screen. Depending on how you record purchases with this vendor, enter the category details or item details. Usually, this is the category, product, or service you're getting a credit for. Then select Save and Close. Okay, so now that the credit memo is created, we can record a refund right from this screen. To record the receipt of a refund, go to the upper right-hand corner to the Actions tab and click Receive Refund. From the pop-up, we can record all the necessary information and also include the reference number provided by the vendor. Then click Save and Close to record the refund. Okay, now let's look at the second path we can use to get to the Create a New Vendor Credit Memo screen. Go to the Purchases navigation again and click Expenses, and from here click the Purchase list. Then you can navigate to Add a New and select Credit Memo here. Then you can go through all the steps that we did in the previous example. Okay, and the final method that we're going to walk through is by going directly to the vendor's transaction page. We can do this by searching for the vendor on the search navigation, clicking the vendor and going to their transaction page, and then going to Add a New and clicking Credit Memo again. Alternatively, you can save time on data entry by creating the credit memo right from a bill. To do this, go to the vendor's transaction page and select the bill that you want to create a credit memo from. Click the bill, and then in the upper right-hand corner, go to the Actions tab and click Create Credit Memo. As you can see, the credit memo that pops up auto-populates the items related to the bill. And all you have to input is the date and the bill number. Then you can click Save and Close. Okay, so now that the related credit memo has been created, let's do a walkthrough of how to apply that to the bill. Go back to the vendor's transaction page, find and select the bill that needs payment. In the upper right-hand corner, select the money icon, and it'll bring you to the Pay Bills screen. Select the bill, and then to the right hand of the screen, you want to click Apply Credit. Then we're going to check the box next to the credit memo that we want to use and click Adjust at the bottom of the pop-up. From here, we're going to select the account related to this and then click Pay Bills. Okay, let's recap what we've learned. We've seen 3 different pathways to creating a new vendor credit memo. We've also seen how to receive a refund from a vendor, as well as how to create a credit memo right from a bill. Finally, we saw how to apply a credit to a bill instead of payment. That's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.